Friends, I'm sort of welcome to Technical Skills Linux. So in this video, I'm just show you how to host your website on AWS with CyberFinance. Right. So here you can see that is my CyberFinance that is installed AWS instance. So I have a previous video I saw that how to install CyberFinance. So now that is dashboard for CyberFinance, right? So now I'm just go that you can see that is my domain. I have created live domains from Freenom, so it's free domain. So that is my domain. Okay, technical skills linux.tk. So now I'm just go the manage my domain. So yes, I'm just go manage DNS. Okay, so now I'm just copy the my domain name, so that is my domain name. So right, so here cyberfire I'm just click for website because I'm just host a website, so that's why I'm just click website here and this feature. So I can see that is website available functions: create a website, list website, modify website, and suspend on and unsuspend and delete website, right? So now I'm just create a website because that is my website, new website, so that's why I create a website for hosting. So here just packet name is default. So now owner is admins. Okay, domain names, so that is suit domain names do not enter www. It will be automatically created, so I'm just enter my domain name. So email address is that it is not email address, dot cp, that's my email id. So right here I'm just select php. You can choose your php version, so I'm just choose 7.2. so here you can see auto additional feature, so that is wonderful for cyber finance feature, so very satisfying. You can also use ssl, create a mail comments and dkim support. So I'm use that SSL right now. Okay, so now I'm just create the website. Okay, so okay, you can see website is just for creating. So set up directory, yes, set up SSL. So we start. mm, okay, so you can see that. So now is successful install for my website. So now I'm just go the website list website. Okay. mm, no screenshot available. Okay, no issue. That is my website url. So and directory is home technical skill linux.tk and public html. So active ssl, iso ssl and default page. Now I'm just manage, click on manage. So when you click on manage, so then you just go the like it's a panel, so every app features are available from here. So okay, and just go you can see that is my ftp user, my domain database, and use disk bandwidth, everything from here. So here everything you can see that access log and error logs and additional domains, so list domain on jobs and file manager, create a ftp, right? So here everything. So if you want to install WordPress, so definitely you use a WordPress or Git or Magento SAT. So now I'm just got the manage file manager. So okay, so yes, my technical skills to Linux domain is add. Okay, you can see that your SSL will be 3649 days, and that is free. Mhm. So that is my file. That is a one for one default page index or html for my domain name. So now I'm just click my domain name. So okay, here. I'll just click here. Once again, just my domain name. So you can see nothing for at the point is not pointing. So now I'm just point my domain. Here I'm just enter the DNS DNS not. I'm just enter that a additional RP. So okay, so now I'm just add the a record. Okay, just I'm go to my server domain name, so activated, so that is my so server IP. I'm just go here and add the domain name, so a record. So here is for that is IP address. Here it's PK. My domain name is that technical. I'm just go to my domain name, so and paste here. That's my domain name. Okay, so a record, I'm just change the TTL, and that is IP. Now I'm just go to save. So a record is added, so you can see here, so that is a record is added. Okay, so now I'm just check the my a record is working or not. So I'll just a record, I'm just add so that's why you just wait for few minutes. Okay, after a few minutes, so I'm just check copy the URL, so hit here and I'm just once again paste. So you can see that is cPanel installed, that is successful, and that is a default page, right? So, now I'm just go here and and just remove the page. Okay, yeah, select it. Now I'm just right click and just delete the HTML. Okay, so now it's totally blank. So now I'm refresh 404 error. Okay, so now I'm just upload my folder. So here I'm just upload. I'm just choose my project file. Okay, so is that mm, 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 that is my project folder, so I have uploaded. So now select it, now I'm upload. Yes, it's upload. The size is 0.94 MB. Okay, so it's uploaded. Now I'm just click it here. I'm just unzip here, so I'm just extract for the site. Yes, yes, it's done. My project all file is unzip. Now I'm just go my domain, and here I'm just refresh. So yes, you can see that my files and my project file is everything is working so very fine. So go example for yes, that is for my example on temple site. So right, so it's really working if I don't add my domains, right? So it's very good. It's live to my domain, so now you can easily host, and that's for easily if your website, if your okay. So once again I'm just go the my site here. mm that is dashboard of CyberPanel. Okay, so so now I'm just go the site, so you can see that site not secure. Okay, so now I'm just use free SSL. Okay, so just for I go the uh, CyberPanel, so it's outside list, and you can see that issue SSL just one click, and so after one clicks it install the issue by the SSL for free. Okay, so you can see success SSL successfully issue, right? So now I'm just check the that is my domain is technical skills Linux TKs SSL install or not. Okay, now I'm just copy here, and here I'm just another tab, and now I'm just put the HTTPS, that is SSL. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, great. You can see that is a install secure connections, that is install for free HTTPS. Okay, so that's great for that. Now I'm just checking. You can see check the your valid certification. So that is 20 1 year for issue by the 1 year. Okay, it's totally free for your domain. Okay, so that is very fantastic panel. So now you can easily host your website, so for your cPanels or CyberPanels. Okay, so you can easily manage everything for you. Okay. So once again, you just go the user, your add your user list as your add your new user. You can also use the reseller center, create for just for reseller if you want to just like a GoDaddy. GoDaddy. So now you can reseller account if you want to the buy the your share hosting. So then definitely you use that panel very easy. Just create accounts so the everyone and the share of the customer, so then she also use your share hosting. And now we can see here database, if you want to use a database, so definitely here create database and MySQL, PHP admin. So I just click PHP admin, so definitely it just open the PHP admin. It's very easy to manage. So you can see access now. Yes, PHP my admins auto login, so it now support, and now click on generate auto access. So okay, now is access. But definitely, if you want to get to the your account, so you definitely great, very easy to manage. So no headaches any others like any other serverless. All right, if you want to so security everything PHP version, if you want to change your PHP version, so if you want to edit your PHP configuration, so it's very fantastic the panel I think. Okay, so if you want to create a FTP, so definitely FTP if you want to back off. So right, I'm just go to the back off. I'm just get a back off. Just go there. So sometimes you I need to take server back off. It's alright. The select the website, that is my website. Okay, where the destination where so I'm just select home. So now just one clicks it take back off, no headache other things, and no so it's you can see back off, so it's completed. um, Completed, so it's very fantastic cyber panels away and very fast. You can see with a free SSL. So that's all in this video. Okay, so thank you so much. If my video is any help to you, so then please subscribe and please like this video. So thank you so much. Have a great day.